Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new folder in Windows 10, a quick and easy way to organize your files and keep your system tidy. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking the yellow folder icon on your taskbar or opening it from the Start menu. File Explorer is where you view, manage, and organize all your files and folders on your computer, making it the starting point for this task. Step 2. Click the folder location where you want to create the new folder, such as Documents, Desktop, or any other drive. Choosing the correct location is important because it determines where your new folder will be saved and how easily you can find it later. Step 3. Press Ctrl+Shift+N on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut instantly creates a new folder in the selected location, saving time compared to using menus or right-click options. Step 4. Type a name for the new folder while the text is highlighted. Giving your folder a clear and meaningful name helps you recognize its contents quickly and keeps your files well organized. Step 5. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the folder name. This final step saves the name and completes the folder creation process in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials and fixes.